right. Well, her next move is appeal. There were
But
a number.
She's heartbroken.
She is heartbroken. And one of the first things that she said when she came back from the verdict, when we went into the conference room, was, "I am so sorry to all these women."
This is Elaine Bredehoft confirming in an interview that her client Amber Heard will appeal the verdict reached by the Virginia jury. On Thursday, July 21st, actress Amber Heard officially filed a notice of appeal against the $10 million verdict, which found her liable for defaming her former husband Johnny Depp. But almost immediately, a major indication of where the Court of Appeal decision will lean leaked. So what are these indications? Let's find out. Amber Heard's lawyers had announced that they would appeal immediately after the jury found on June 1st that she had defamed Johnny Depp by the op-ed in which she had described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The jury held that the statement was false and was made with actual malice. This is Judge Penny Askren handing over the jury's verdict to the court clerk. Have a listen.
Representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote.
Following that decision, Amber, through her lawyers, immediately dismissed the jury's decision and pledged to appeal, a promise they have since honored. But legal experts now believe her appeal outcome won't be that different from the one read out in the UK. Allow me to bring you up to speed. In the London Court of Appeal, the judge ruled that Amber did assault Johnny Depp on more than one occasion, which was proven during the Virginia hearing. Here is Depp describing one incident during this last trial.
I believe that's, well, it's definitely me. After receiving kind of a roundhouse punch from Miss Heard, I believe that this is, it's March. I believe that this is from what's been called the staircase incident. Am I correct?
Poor Johnny even demonstrates how the punch from Amber flew to his face. Oof. On top of the physical assault, the London court also confirmed the Aquaman star lied about donating the $7 million divorce settlement from Depp. You guys haven't forgotten how that donation debate almost brought down the roof in Virginia, have you? But just in case you have, here is a sneak peek of it.
Ultimately, the rest of the $7 million divorce settlement was paid directly to you, right?
Over time, yes.
Mr. Depp didn't end up paying the rest of the $7 million divorce settlement directly to the charities you identified.
That is correct. He paid the installments to me.
You stopped that from happening, didn't you?
Thirdly, the London court also proved that Amber misled them on more than one instance, most notably over the donation, and also claiming she never got physical with Depp. Even worse, the Drive Angry star lied under oath in the UK, especially in the matter of the Australian dog saga. Now legal experts believe that all these indicate how the Virginia appeals case will play out. In short, Amber has little or no chance of winning her appeal. Amber and her legal team, led by Elaine Bredehoft and Ben Rottenborn, should be very worried about their move and should tread carefully to avoid another public display of embarrassment. In their appeal notice, the team said, and I quote, "We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment. We are therefore appealing the verdict. While we realize today's filing will ignite the Twitter bonfires, there are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice." The two-paragraph notice does not spell out the grounds for the actress's appeal, probably because the 1 month plus they had come up with the motion wasn't enough for them to prove they are right. In response, Depp's representative said his team remains confident the verdict will be upheld. "We remain confident in our case and that this verdict will stand," his spokesperson said. Earlier this month, the Virginia court had rejected Amber's demand for a new trial in the defamation case. Her lawyers had asked Judge Penny Askren to set aside the verdict, awarding $10 million to Depp and declare a mistrial, but the judge denied their request. Amber had asked for a new trial because one of the 7 jurors was not the man summoned for jury service, but his son in a case of mistaken identity. If these London court indications are anything to go by, then Amber Heard's appeal will be another loss on her part. And that's it for this video. Until next time, bye!